Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have such a fun makeup tutorial. I did the Anna look. Now I don't have my hair in the pigtails, but you will see that after. But if you want to see how I created my Anna look from Frozen, please stick around and you can see. And also don't forget to watch the giveaway video if you want to be entered into I can't speak today. If you want to be entered in the giveaway. So a lot of the products that I am going to be using in this video are in the giveaway. They're just my own products. You guys will be getting ones I've never used before. But yeah, so if you want to see how they look and how they work, please stick around. We are going to start off with Eve's ELIXIR foundation from Exotic Vixen Cosmetics. I love this foundation because the formula is full coverage and it's buildable, and it really does last all day. I've worn this on set for multiple hours, like 12 to 16 hours at a time, and it really does hold up. Now I do have some foundation on from earlier, so I'm really just more trying to touch up versus do a full face of fresh foundation. I am then going to go in with the Sculpting Bronzer in the shade Toffee from Physicians Formula, and we're just going to contour my face. This is actually a great dupe if you're looking for a cheaper alternative for the Kylie Cosmetics Bronzing Stick. They're both great formulas, but if you're looking for something a little less pricey, this is the way to go. I'm now taking my blending sponge and I'm just going to blend this contour in. This formula is extremely blendable and very creamy, so it works really well. I'm now going in with the blush stick in the shade Dreaming from Mally Beauty. This is one of the items that's actually going to be in the giveaway. It is in the Anna kit, and it's a beautiful peachy pink blush. Now I'm taking the highlighter stick in the shade Playful from Mally Beauty, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and of course right above my eyebrows. Now it's time to blend this baby out. I am taking the Prime and Stay finishing powder from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just going to put this in the places that I get the most oily, which is usually underneath my eyes and in my under chin and under my nose area. I am taking the Evercolor Shadow Stick from Mally Beauty. This is in the shade Goldstone, and we are just going to apply this to the lid. This is going to be a great transition shade for what you see that we do on the lid later on. We are going to go in with the Evershadow color stick in the color Soft Brown, and we are just going to put this on our crease. These shadow sticks are extremely pigmented and very blendable. They also work good with powder, which you'll see in just a minute. I am going back in right underneath the brow with the shade Goldstone again. This is a great highlight stick for right underneath that eyebrow. I'm going into the Frozen 2 palette from ColourPop in the Anna palette, and we are going to use this beautiful white shade in Scooch In, and we are just going to put this in the inner corners of our eyes to brighten it up and to make it pop. We are now going to use this beautiful purple shade, and the color is Adventure from the Anna palette, and we're just going to put this on the outer corners of our eye to kind of give that smoky look. We are now taking the shade Arendelle, which is this beautiful pressed glitter color in the shade Gold. It is so beautiful, and you can't do an Anna look without using a color named Arendelle. One thing I love about ColourPop Cosmetics pressed glitters is you don't need any primer, and they work beautifully. We are now going to go in with the Epic Ink Liquid Liner from NYX Cosmetics and just do a cat eye on the top of the lid. I am now taking the Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner in the shade Hazelnut from Mally Beauty, and I am going to go underneath the waterline. When I'm trying to make my eyes look bigger or more animated, I like to go underneath the waterline rather than directly on it. This just makes your eyes pop and makes them look a little bit bigger. Of course, we need some mascara, so we're going to go in with the Pretty Perfect mascara from Mally Beauty, and we are going to top our lids off with this. I'm now taking the shade Going North from the Cream collection of ColourPop with their Frozen 2 collection, and I'm going to use this as my main lip color. I am taking the lip gloss in the shade Anna from Mally Beauty, and we are going to use this as a lip topper to kind of give more of a glistening effect, more of a shine. Now I'm going to take the Freckle pen in the shade Dark Brown from ColourPop, and I am going to put some freckles on my nose and a little bit on my cheeks. Now this is a cute little freckled look. And of course, I have to use the Glisten Up 4th Ray Beauty Setting Spray. This spray just always makes my makeup stay, and it makes me feel refreshed and hydrated. Not to mention, it smells pretty awesome. Now this is my Anna look. I hope you guys liked it. I had so much fun using these products, and I hope you had fun watching it. Hey guys, thank you for watching my Frozen Anna tutorial. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I love remaking Disney princesses. Like, literally Disney is just my childhood. I grew up going to the parks. I even performed there when I was younger, and I'm obsessed with their movies. So I hope you guys had fun. I listed all of the products I used in this tutorial down below, so feel free to check them out. A lot of the products though that I did use in this tutorial are going to be in the giveaway that I am drawing on July 31st. So if this is something that you are interested in participating in, please watch my giveaway video. It has all the details on the products I'm giving away, as well as how to submit to have an entry so you could possibly be a winner. So thank you guys so much. I hope you had fun. Please leave your comments down below letting me know what you liked about this, or if there's a different Disney princess or a different type of makeup tutorial that you guys would like to see. I love hearing from you guys. Also, don't forget to please like, subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also follow me on Instagram. My name is below. I look forward to talking to you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.